I will be discussing the fundamental primitives, objects with meshes, parametric surfaces. Fundamental primitives. These are the basic geometric shapes used to create more complex objects in computer graphics. Points, represented by a single coordinate in space, often used to reference or as building blocks for more complex shapes. Lines, defined by 2 points and extend infinitely in both directions. Polygons, shape with 3 or more straight sides typically formed by connecting multiple points with straight lines. Objects with meshes. In computer graphics, objects are often represented by meshes, which are made up of interconnected vertices, edge, and face. Vertices, points in space that define the corner or intersection of a mesh. Edges, lines connecting pairs of vertices. Faces, polygons formed by connecting 3 or more vertices with edge. Meshes can be composed of triangles, quadrilaterals, or other polygonal shapes. Parametric surfaces. These are the surfaces defined by mathematical equations, allowing for the creation of smooth and curved shapes. Parametric equations. Equations that express the coordinates of points on a surface as function of 1 or more parameters. Examples: spheres, cylinders, and tori can be defined using parametric equation, enabling the creation of complex shapes with precise control over their geometry.